Welcome back to Kungana Chengeto 90, brought to you by Tixozo Media, episode 19. Eka ni wachembere, newaskana wemumvura, tinokumbira kuunzirwa shamwari yedu. Kutamba tatamba tikaimba nekudya, tiunziro shamwari yedu, wamaponesa. Whenever the song was sung, the waves would increase and the wind would pick up until everyone closes their eyes. That's all it would take. Just a second to close your eyes and they would be returned. My grandmother was the woman who had been in charge of this for as long as I can remember. I couldn't help but wonder, who was going to do it now? I hear her breath stop, then start, and turn to look at her. Her beautiful, old, wrinkled face looks at me. Her skin is dark, but it always glowed, and her eyes were just as black. She had white teeth that she brushed with the small branches of the Mukuya Jio tree. Gogo smiles as she looks at me, then seems to gather strength to speak. Ah, Jira, my lovely granddaughter and namesake. I have often said you would be there when I take my last, just as I was there when you took your first. My throat feels tight with tears because I just know this is the last conversation we're going to have. Gogo, I can't. You're going to have to. Tune in tomorrow at 6 for more Kungana Chingeto 90, brought to you by Tixozo Media.